My brother and sister, some connections feel ordinary, but others feel written, not by chance, not by people, but by Allah Himself. If you've ever wondered whether a bond is destiny or just emotion, watch closely, because when Allah pairs two souls, the signs are unmistakable. When Allah writes two souls for each other, one of the first signs is a calmness that settles in the heart whenever they meet, speak, or even think about one another. It's not the excitement of worldly attraction, nor the nervousness that comes from uncertainty. It is a deep, soothing peace that feels divinely placed. Their presence doesn't drain energy, it restores it. Their words don't confuse the heart, they clarify it. This calmness comes from the fitrah, the natural purity Allah created within every soul. When two souls written in destiny reconnect, that fitrah recognizes what the eyes and mind cannot yet explain. It's a tranquility that whispers, this connection is safe. This person is part of your path. Even during disagreements, their hearts don't panic. Even in silence, they don't feel abandoned. Even when distance comes, the calmness stays, because their souls know they are connected by something greater than emotions, the decree of Allah. This peace inspires sincerity, kindness, and emotional honesty. They don't need to perform or pretend. They feel understood without explaining, valued without demanding, and accepted without conditions. A heart that is meant for you will never exhaust you. It will always feel light, steady, and protected. That is the beauty of a bond written by Allah. It brings calmness that the world cannot give and cannot take away. When Allah writes two souls for each other, destiny begins to move in quiet, subtle, and often surprising ways. No matter how far they go, no matter how many times life separates them, their paths somehow find a way to reconnect. It isn't coincidence, it's divine alignment. The world calls it chance, but the believer knows it is written, Qadr, working silently behind the scenes. Sometimes they meet during completely unexpected moments, a random conversation, a sudden message, a place they never planned to visit. Other times they drift apart for months or years, only to return to each other at the exact moment when both hearts are more mature, calmer, and ready for what Allah has planned. Even when they try to move on, something keeps pulling them back, not emotionally in a painful way, but spiritually, as if life keeps reminding them that this connection still has a purpose. Destiny does not rush, but it never forgets. And what is written always finds a way, even through detours, delays, and difficulties. Their repeated crossings are not accidents. They are gentle signs from Allah that their journey is intertwined. When souls are meant to meet, they meet. Not once, but again and again until the timing is perfect. When Allah writes two souls for each other, one of the most beautiful signs is the unspoken understanding between them. They don't need long explanations, dramatic conversations, or constant reassurance. Their hearts naturally interpret each other's feelings. A look, a pause, a slight change in tone, or even silence becomes meaningful. Their souls communicate in ways their tongues don't have to. This understanding comes from emotional alignment, a harmony Allah places between destined hearts. They sense when the other is tired, worried, or hiding pain. They notice the things others overlook. They respond with gentleness, patience, and respect without being asked. Even when they disagree, they still feel connected underneath the tension, because the foundation is deeper than the momentary conflict. Their communication is calm, sincere, and safe. There is no fear of being misunderstood, judged, or dismissed. They feel seen, heard, and valued, not through big gestures, but through small, consistent acts of understanding. This silent connection is a mercy from Allah. It shows that their bond is not built on words alone, but on a spiritual compatibility that makes communication effortless. Two souls written by Allah don't just talk, they understand. And that understanding is what keeps their hearts close, even in silence. One of the clearest signs that Allah has written two souls for each other is that their connection brings them closer to Him, not farther. A bond blessed by Allah never leads to sin, confusion, or emotional chaos. Instead, it inspires purity, discipline, and spiritual growth. They feel a natural desire to become better, not just for each other, but for the sake of Allah. When they speak, their conversations carry depth. When they plan, they think about what is halal, what is pleasing to Allah, and what aligns with their faith. Their presence in each other's lives increases their iman, softens their hearts, and strengthens their character. They remind each other to pray, to be patient, and to avoid what harms the soul. Their love becomes an act of worship, not a distraction. Even in difficult moments, they turn to Allah together. Instead of arguing endlessly, they seek guidance through dua. Instead of letting ego win, they choose forgiveness, knowing Allah loves those who reconcile. Their connection becomes a means of spiritual elevation. A relationship that pulls you away from Allah is not written for you, but a relationship that awakens your faith, brings peace to your heart, and makes you a better servant of Allah. That is a sign of a soul He has chosen for you. When Allah writes two souls together, even their struggles become pathways to deeper connection. Tests don't break them, they build them. Challenges that would normally push two people apart instead reveal the strength, sincerity, and purity of their bond. They may disagree, misunderstand each other, or face external obstacles, but something within them refuses to give up. Their hearts keep finding their way back to each other with more clarity and compassion than before. This resilience is not accidental. Allah strengthens the hearts He has paired. Their bond is protected by patience, honesty, and the constant desire to do what is right. When frustration rises, they choose gentleness. When hurt appears, they choose forgiveness. When things get difficult, they turn to Allah, not against each other. Every trial becomes a reminder that their connection is bigger than the moment. It is written, guided, and supported by divine wisdom. Tests also strip away ego, forcing both souls to grow. They learn to communicate better, to be humble, and to prioritize understanding over pride. What could have been a breaking point becomes a turning point. In the end, every hardship they face becomes a bridge, pulling their hearts closer, purifying their intentions, and proving that what Allah writes cannot be shaken by worldly challenges. Their connection survives not because it is perfect, but because it is destined.